Hello, my name is Christian Angel, and today I will be showing you how to get rid of blue lines during a Swiss-style tournament. When you see a blue line on any of your pairings, you must swap them by clicking on the little down arrow. By player 1, never swap the first pairing in any part of your tournament. Now choose the first player's name on the list. For example, I have picked out England on the list. Now repeat steps 01 and 02 for player 2. In my video you can see, I picked out Denmark. Now click on Swap Players. Now you can see the players have swapped places, and there isn't a blue line anymore. Now click on Accept Current Pairings. Keep on doing blue lines, like I have explained above, and you shouldn't have any problems.